You're not bad at math, you were taught wrong. Raise your hand if you've ever looked at a math problem, blinked, and realized your brain had completely left the building to go plan what you're having for dinner in 3 days. Don't worry, you can put your hand down. We've all been there. Somewhere around the time the alphabet aggressively invaded the math classroom, a lot of us decided, yep, I'm just not a math person. We treated math like a genetic mutation. You either have the math gene, or you're doomed to use your fingers to calculate a 15% tip for the rest of your life. But here's the plot twist. You are not bad at math, you were just taught wrong. Most of us were taught that math is a brutal gauntlet of memorizing arbitrary formulas to pass a test. It felt less like exploring the secrets of the universe and more like doing compliance paperwork for a boss you hate. Let's flip the script. Here is your 3-step guide to unlocking your inner math wizard. Treat math like a video game, not a lecture. Think about playing Elden Ring or Super Mario. When you die on a level, you don't throw the controller down and cry, "I guess I'm just not a video game person." No, you respawn, adjust your strategy, and try again. Math is exactly the same. It's a game where every mistake is just a data point showing you how to beat the level. If you get stuck, you haven't failed. You just haven't unlocked that specific power-up yet. Change the mindset from "I can't do this" to "I haven't figured out the rule yet." Stop memorizing, start visualizing. If you try to memorize 1,000 different formulas, your brain will short-circuit. Instead, look for the story behind the numbers. Take the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Instead of just memorizing the letters, imagine you're trying to build the perfect ramp for a skateboard trick. Math isn't a collection of random symbols. It's a language used to describe reality. When you start visualizing the shapes and patterns behind the equations, the formulas stop looking like alien hieroglyphics and start looking like blueprints. Lower the stakes. The biggest motivation killer is pressure. When you're practicing, make it low stakes. Use scratch paper you intend to throw away. Use a whiteboard where you can erase mistakes in half a second. Give yourself permission to write down absolutely ridiculous incorrect answers just to get the gears moving. The moment you take away the fear of looking stupid, your brain actually opens up to learning. You don't need a magical brain to understand math. You just need curiosity, a little patience, and the right strategy. The world is built on these patterns, and you have the keys to decode it. So go grab a notebook, pick one problem, and treat it like a puzzle waiting to be solved. You've got this. If you're ready to stop surviving your studies and start mastering them, hit that subscribe button for Studying Machine. Let's make learning fun again. See you in the next video.